Welcome back. We are now looking at task number 5. We are to create a circuit that has one 12-volt battery. Add a battery. I'm going to change it to 12 volts right away. 12, enter. 2 bulbs and 1 switch. 2 bulbs, 1 switch. Now, it says you must create the circuit so that the bulbs do not blow out, but the tricky part is that you are not allowed to change the resistance or the watts of the bulb. It says you can use one other item if you'd like. So if we just hook it up regularly, we turn it on, bulb blows out right here. Notice that this one also turns off because this circuit is broken. With that filament, which is that little black line in there, once that blows, once that is broken or separated, we no longer have a circuit that is complete. That's why this bulb goes out if this one turns off. Just like in a set of holiday lights. Okay? Maybe you got a light that goes out on your house. If you put lights up this holiday season, that light goes out. A lot of times, all the rest of the lights will end up going out because of that. So I'm going to turn it off. Come grab another bulb. But I cannot change the resistance or the watts on a bulb. Usually I would say just go change the resistance on the bulbs. Right, maybe to 8.1 like we've done in the past, and that would work. But what we need to do on this one, I'm going to have a wire still hooked up right here. Right, we need to go grab ourselves a resistor. Add a resistor to it. So let's add a resistor. We turn it on. Okay, one of the bulbs still ends up going out. So I'm going to grab a new bulb. I'm going to change my resistance to 2 ohms. 2, enter. Turn it on. Now the resistor burns out. So I'm going to turn that off. Go over here. Grab another resistor. Let's change this to 3. Resistor burns out. So, we are sitting here. We have our 12-volt battery. We have our 2 bulbs. We have our 1 switch. You must create a circuit so that the bulbs do not blow out. But the tricky part is that you are not allowed to change the resistance or the watts of the bulb. You can add one other item if you would like. So at this point, we are running that task of trying to figure out how to get this thing to work. You're going to end up having to click on your resistor, start playing with your resistance. Okay, bumping up the resistance on the resistor is what is going to counteract that resistor burning out. So I'm going to go and I'm going to say 8 ohms. I turn it on, still burns out. Go grab another one. Notice I turn that off. I'm going to go to 10 ohms. And there we have it. 2 bulbs, same brightness. Did not change the resistance of the bulbs. Did not change the watts. I added one other item. Now you could play around and see if maybe you could go 9.9. Enter. Burns out. So 10 as a resistor. Okay, a resistor with a resistance of 10 is the lowest you can do. 10 ohms it is. We turn it on, and you can see that is how we have to create the solution for tricky task number 5.